Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Moizur Rahman. I am the student of BScs. Today the topic of my presentation is input and output devices. What is input? Input is any data and instructions entered into the memory of a computer. Input device. An input device is any hardware component that allows users to enter data and instructions into a computer. There are different types of input devices. Keyboard. A keyboard is an input device that contains keys users press to enter data and instructions into a computer. An enhanced keyboard has 12 or more function keys along the top and a set of arrow and additional keys between the typing area and the numeric keyboard. Function keys are special keys programmed to issue commands to a computer. कीबोर्ड जो है वो लैपटॉप्स पीसीज मोबाइल हर चीज़ में कीबोर्ड जिसके थ्रू हम कोई भी रिटर्न डाटा एंटर करते हैं. उसके बाद है माउस. A mouse is a pointing device that fits comfortably under the palm of your hand. With a mouse, users control the movement of the pointer. Most desktop computer users today have some type of optical mouse which uses devices that emit and sense light to detect the mouse's movement. Some use optical sensors and others use a laser. An air mouse is a newer type of motion sensing mouse that in addition to the typical buttons allows you to control objects, media players and slideshows by moving the mouse in the predetermined direction through the air. For example, raising the mouse up might increase the volume on your media player. Trackball. A trackball is a stationary pointing device with a ball on its top or side. To move the pointer using a trackball, you rotate the ball with your thumb, finger or palm of your hand. In addition to the ball, a trackball usually has one or more buttons that work just like mouse buttons. Touchpad. A touchpad is a small flat rectangular pointing device that is sensitive to pressure and motion. To move the pointer using a touchpad, slide your finger across the surface of the pad. Touchpads are found most often on notebook computers including netbooks and many tablet PCs. Pointing stick. A pointing stick is a pressure-sensitive pointing device shaped like a pencil eraser that is positioned between keys on the keyboard. To move the pointer using a pointing stick, you push the pointing stick with your finger. Touch screen. A touch screen is a touch-sensitive display device. Touch screens that recognize multiple points of contact at the same time are known as multi-touch. The latest version of Windows operating system provides increased support for the computer with touch screens. A recently developed touchscreen called Microsoft Surface is a 30-inch tabletop display that allows one or more people to interact with the screen using their fingers or hands. Input pen. With input pen, you touch a stylus or digital pen on the flat surface to write, draw or make selections. A stylus is a small metal or plastic device that looks like a tiny ink pen but uses pressure instead of ink. A digital pen, which is slightly larger than a stylus, typically provides more functionality than stylus, featuring electronic erasers and programmable buttons. Most digital pens, often simply called pens, are pressure sensitive. Other input devices. Other input devices are game controllers, game pads, joysticks and wheels. A joystick is a handheld vertical lever mounted on a base. A wheel is a steering wheel type input device that you turn to stimulate driving a car, truck or other vehicle. Light guns, dance pads, motion sensing game controllers. Digital camera. A digital camera is a mobile device that allows users to take pictures and store the photographed image digitally instead of traditional film. There are three types of digital cameras: studio cameras, field cameras, point and shoot cameras. Voice input devices. There are other type of input devices such as voice input devices, which is mainly a microphone की इनपुट करते हैं, उसके लिए ऑडियो इनपुट डिवाइसेस होती हैं. वीडियो इनपुट डिवाइसेस में उसमें कैमराज आ जाते हैं, वेब कैम्स, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस, स्कैनर्स. Some input devices save users time by capturing data directly from a source document, which is original form of the data. An optical scanner, usually called a scanner, is a light sensing input device that reads printed text and graphics and then translates the result into a form that computer can process. A flatbed scanner works in a manner similar to a copy machine, except it creates a file of the document in memory instead of a paper copy. Terminals. A terminal is a computer, usually with limited processing power, that enables users to send data and or receive information from a host computer. Special purpose terminals perform specific tasks and contains features uniquely designed for use in a particular industry. 3 special purpose terminals are point of sale terminals, automated teller machines, and DVD kiosks. Output devices. Output is a data that has been processed into a useful form. That is, computer processed data input into information output. Users view or watch output on the screen, print it or hear it through speakers, headphones or earbuds. An output device is any device component that conveys information to one or more people. Commonly used output devices include display devices, printers, speakers, headphones and earbuds, data projectors and interactive whiteboards. Display devices. A display device is an output device that visually conveys text, graphics and video information. Desktop computers typically use a monitor as their display device. LCD. An LCD monitor is a desktop monitor that uses a liquid crystal display to produce image. LCD monitors are available in a variety of sizes, with the more common being 19, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27 and 30 inches. Some are 45 or 65 inches. Plasma monitor. A plasma monitor is a display device that uses gas plasma technology, which sandwiches a layer of gas between two glass plates. Plasma monitors offer screen size up to 150 inches wide and richer colors than LCD monitors, but are more expensive. CRT monitors. CRT monitors are the old type of monitors. They are not commonly used nowadays. Printers. A printer is an output device that produces text and graphics on a physical medium such as paper. Many different types and styles of printer exist with varying speeds, capabilities and printing methods. Some of the type of printers are non-impact printers. A non-impact printer forms characters and graphics on a piece of paper without actually striking the paper. Some non-impact printers spray ink while others use heat or pressure to create image. There are following types of printers. Inkjet printers. An inkjet printer is a type of non-impact printer that forms characters and graphics by spraying tiny drops of liquid ink onto a piece of paper. Inkjet printers have become a popular type of color printer for use in the home. Photo printers. A photo printer is a color printer that produces photo lab quality pictures. Some photo printers print just 1 or 2 size of photos, for example 3-5 inches and 4x6 inches. Laser printer. A laser printer is a high-speed, high-quality, non-impact printer. Laser printers for personal computers ordinarily use individual sheets of paper stored in one or more removable trays that slide in the printer case. Thermal printer. A thermal printer generates images by pushing electrically heated pins against heat-sensitive paper. Basic thermal printers are inexpensive, but the print quality is low and the images tend to fade over time. Mobile printers. A mobile printer is a small, lightweight, battery-powered printer that allows a mobile user to print from notebook, computer, or smartphone or other mobile device while traveling. Other output devices. Speakers. Most personal computers and mobile devices have a small internal speaker that usually emits only low quality sound. Thus, many users attach speak, sound speakers or speaker system to their computers to generate high quality sound. The difference in that headphones cover or are placed outside of the ear, whereas earbud or earphones that's inside the ear canal. A handset is a device that functions as both headphones and a microphone. Data projector. A data projector is a device that takes the image, text and images displaying on a computer screen and projects them on a larger screen so that an audience can see the image clearly. Many factors influence the type of input and output device you should use. The type of input and output decides the hardware and software in use and the anticipated cost. Thanks for watching. Keep loving me, keep subscribing my channel. आज के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़। आपका दोस्त, आपका होस्ट मोइज़ुर रहमान को इजाज़त दीजिए। मिलेंगे एक नेक्स्ट वीडियो एक अच्छे कंटेंट और फिर एक नई बकचोदी के साथ। अल्लाह हाफिज़।